But speaking of peaceful, we got Thornhill Raw. It seems like they did like a 30-minute. Is that Jacksepticeye? It seems like they did like a 30-minute session of this, like a one-take performance. We are only going to be checking out 2 today, and you know, if we have time, we'll check out the rest another time. But we'll be checking out Raw. They only had 3 songs. Damn, son. Oh my god, he's so cute. Anyways. Oh my god. I mean, bro, underneath my desk is a fucking lake. Holy shit. I also think that they're going to be on their own tour, their own headlining tour. So this is probably why they did this. But no, I've seen them live, and yo, these guys are dope. Wait. Tour upcoming potential album? Oh. Ooh, that down. Down. Oh my god, that's dope. Yeah, dude, listening to his screams live. Oh my god! When I first heard it, I got the fucking chills, man. I got the goosebumps.